have your fire extinguisher.
That is breakers and fuses.
And then you have your
LPG detector.
smoke detector right there. And then we'll go over here.
And what was back here? Oh,
The fire extinguisher.
right here in the corner. Is it good an idea to have another one of those? Well, like I said, it only is if you have a fire.
You're only, all it is to be used, is to use it to get out.
Okay.
Not to
Save
fight
it.
the fire.
All right. Okay.
And I was going to ask you, should there be a fire right here while we're sleeping? Those windows break out?
Well, I'm fixing to show you.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Right here, this is how you turn these off.
Okay.
What is that?
And this one, turn off right here. Alright, we'll go over here. This is a motion sensor, so you can have it on, or when you open the door, it'll automatically turn on. Alright, right here, you may want to come see. Brings. Battery is showing full. Fresh is showing full. Black is empty. Gray is empty. Gray 2 is empty. When you want to dump, it's between 2/3 and full.
Okay.
This is showing your water pump is on, remember?
Yeah.
Which is right here. Okay?
You can turn it off in here.
Yes. Ceiling lights. Tank heaters, so when it's freezing outside, you have heaters on your tanks.
Oh, to keep them from
Yes.
solidifying.
Water heater on gas. Water heater on electric.
Okay. While we're stationed, we put it on electric.
You can do both.
Oh, okay.
I like gas because it's going to recover quicker
Yeah.
and you're not using that much gas.
Okay.
This is the awning light outside. You have a little step light and you also have a porch light.
Oh.
Now, reason I showed for the water. Hit that step light if you don't mind. This is the step light.
Porch step.
Yep. There's one right there.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, on the side. Okay.
Yeah, it's right there.
Gotcha. So in here, driving down the road, you want this locked. Again, this is a motion sensor, so if you gotta wake up in the middle of the night and go, you can.
Okay.
You're only gonna get 4 to 6 minutes of hot water through your water heater. This is a nice shower head, but it's not gonna get you enough hot water.
Right.
And right now it's hot
Oh, okay.
because it's going to use more water. This uses less water and gives you more pressure.
Oh.
So you can take a 10 to 20 minute shower
Oh.
In just a few minutes.
and it's going to get the soap out of your hair.
Oh, yeah. Right.
That's very important.
Yeah, it is.
All you got to do is change all this. And like I said, the skylight, you know, depending on if you want it bright all the time or that little shade that I have in there, you can put it right here and that'll make it close it or not. It's whatever you want.
Okay. Definitely can do that.
Yes.
What is it? Is it just a